Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Funike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Funike and I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and lifestyle. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. So if it sounds like something interesting to you, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. So following up with the last video I have on this channel where I shared a site where you could perform small tasks to earn money, I got some comments asking me to show how people could withdraw their earnings, number one, and how to perform tasks. Some found it difficult to perform tasks, even though performing tasks on this particular site is quite easy. But then let's just see how we can get some few of the tasks done, and also how to impute our account details for the purpose of withdrawing money. Yes, we are performing these tasks to make money. So let's get right into the video. So this is what the interface looks like. The name of the site is nairaworkers.com. I'll put the link to register directly in the description of this video. Please use the link to register. So I'll just go, because I've registered on this platform before. I have an account, so I'll just go in and sign in. Yeah, if you want to learn how to sign up, how to register on this particular platform, I have a video. I'll link it somewhere on the screen. Please check it out. You can also check the description box for link to that particular video. So I'll just go ahead now and sign in. Yeah, so it's loading. Yeah, so this is what my dashboard looks like. Welcome Funike. Yes, so I have an account with them before, so this is what it looks like. Then by this top right corner with this three lines, I'll just click it. Yeah, so can you see what we have here? We have my profile, available jobs, wallet, and my account. So let's go to my profile because we want to learn how to add our account details to this particular platform. So this is what I have here. These are my information. So it showed that I joined 3 weeks ago, and this is my referral link, which will be in the description box. This is my name, my username, then my email, the email I used in creating this account. So I'll just go ahead now and update. Click on update profile. So can you see, brought out all my details here? My first name, my last name, my email address. Then so for those asking how they could impute their account details on this particular site, this is how to impute your account details. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and update my details. Yeah, so my date of birth, so I'll just go ahead now and link my mobile number. So here's my mobile number. So it's asking for my account details. Yeah, so that's what I want to do now. So I'm just trying to link my account details. So this is just how to link your account details here. It's as simple as ABC. So these are my account number. So I'll just go ahead and click update profile. So you can see success, profile updated successfully. Yeah, so every of my details has been, like my account details has been successfully saved on this platform. So I want to go back now. I want to go back now to my wallet. Actually, I opened this account just to show you guys how to earn on this account, like on this platform. Like, oh, there's a way you guys could earn on this platform. So I've not even been performing tasks. I literally had to just go ahead and perform tasks just to show you guys how it works. I really do not have the time or even to remember. So it's usually for the purpose of coming here to update you guys. That's why I had to perform some tasks. So this is what my balance looks like. Can you see my work phone? This work fund is for those who want to post tasks. Maybe you have something you want people to help you do. You have a YouTube channel you want to promote, you can come here and promote it. You have any tasks you want people to do for you, you can come here and promote it. So the work fund means how much you deposit, your own deposit for tax. Then tax earnings are number two is the earnings you get from performing tax on the site. Yes, for all the tax you perform, this is where all the money come into. Referral earnings are people who registered with your link. Yes, So when people register via your link and they perform tax or they register on these particular sites, you get, I think, 5% of every money they make or deposit on this platform. So pending funds, these are actually the tax, this particular pending funds, these are actually the tax I've performed, but they are yet to be approved, yeah, by the poster of the job. Yeah, so all the money I have in total that's been approved is 457 naira 17 kobo. Yeah, so I want to go ahead now and withdraw earnings. So for people asking how can we withdraw our money, yeah, how can we withdraw our money, bear in mind that there's a minimum limit. Yeah, so can you see withdraw earnings? You can withdraw your earnings when you earn over 1,999 naira, that's 2,000 naira. Withdrawals are processed every Friday, so every Friday if you have up to 2,000 naira on this site, you can withdraw your money. Yes, but please make sure your bank details are updated in the profile. So I showed you before, to update your bank details, to input your bank details on this particular site, you need to go to your profile, the process I showed before coming here. So that is how you withdraw. Yeah, so that it's as simple as that. So withdraw, so that's if you have up to 2,000 naira, so you can withdraw here. So this is where you put in your withdrawal request. So withdrawal fee is 13 naira. Yes, for each withdrawal you make on this particular site, you have to pay a fee of 13 naira. So look at my account details now after I already input my account details. Can you see, says my available earning is 336 naira. So I'm yet to reach the minimum withdrawal amount, so that means I really cannot withdraw for now. But then if you've done tax up to 2,000 naira, you can withdraw. So this is actually where you withdraw. So you just come here, it's automatically there, and if you have more than 2,000 naira you've earned on this site, you can withdraw. So you just click here and submit request. Yeah, and that is how you withdraw. It's as simple as that. Yeah, but because I haven't earned up to 2,000 naira, I won't be able to withdraw now. But then if you've earned up to 2,000 naira, you can go ahead and withdraw on this particular site. Yes, it's as simple as that. And please bear in mind that this is not a sponsored video. This is not a sponsored video. I don't even know who is behind this particular site. I just found it and I felt like, oh, okay, the people can actually make, even though it's not so much, but then you can still make some decent amount of money, especially for people who are not doing anything at the moment. Yes, 2,000 naira a week, or even in, the truth is, this size, if you can do this tax work within 3 days, you should be able to make 2,000 naira. Yes, if you can see that, if you don't even have anything doing, you have a lot of time, within 2-3 days you should be able to make 2,000 naira. So let's say in a week you should make within 5,000, 6,000 naira. Yeah, depending on how many tasks like you could perform, or even the tasks available on the site. So that's just how to request withdraw on the site. So let me see if I could just click submit request, although I know quite well that it won't go because I'm yet to reach the threshold for minimum withdrawal. So I think that is actually all. Okay, so lastly, somebody said I should try and perform a tax so as to show them that I think they found it difficult to perform tax. So I went to available jobs, it's loading just to show you guys how to perform just maybe one tax. Okay, so these are the available jobs. So I mentioned in the previous video that this particular side, the left hand side are the most recent jobs, while the one by the right hand side are the highest paying job, this one here. So these are actually, so let's click on highest paying to see the jobs that are actually in high demand. Can you see this palm pay? I already performed it, that's why I done. So the particular tasks I've performed are the ones with done. Yeah, so these are actually some of the tasks you could do. Look at this one, Facebook share. For you to do this, you have to have a minimum of 300 friends. So this is it. This is something you can do. Can you see what is expected from workers? Find Naira workers on. These are actually the information. Then you share the first 2 posts. Once you find this particular, that's Naira workers on Facebook, you share the first 2 posts on that page. So required proof, your Facebook name and 2 screenshot proof. Yeah, the screenshots where you shared their first two posts. So that's how it's done. So you just click on it, or you search for Naira workers on Facebook, you share their first two posts, and that is it. I would go right to their, I want to go now to I want to go directly to their page now and show you what their page looks like. So once you get the page, you click you share the first two posts and you get a screenshot. Then this is where you submit your proof. Here you type your Facebook page. For me, that's my Facebook page or name. My Facebook name is Fumike Afolabomi. Yeah, this is my Facebook name. Then the screenshots of the post you share, this is where you click, you choose file, you upload the first proof, upload the first proof, as the first post you share, the screenshots. So can you see screenshots here? So if this first one is the first post you shared, click it and it will upload. So let me just do this. Then you come to the second one, the second screenshot that you shared the post. Yeah, maybe this is it. Then you click and you submit proof. It's as simple as that. Yes. So once you can follow the instruction, and note that each particular tax has its own specific information. So you go here and read the information you to adhere to while performing tax, and that is all. So once you've been able to upload your proof, you just click submit proof, and that's it. Yes, that's it, as simple as that. So I want to go back. I want to perform one tax now. I'm trying to perform a tax. Let's see. I want something as easy as possible. So I'm going back to most recent jobs. It's loading. Okay, so let's see this Amazon baby registry. This first tax, view job. So this is it. This is what is expected. The instructions. Simply click on this link. You scroll down, you will see create a baby registry. Click on it, follow the instructions. Then for the puzzle, click on the image that is different from others. You can use your number or email, and note that you have to confirm your phone or email. Then you complete sign up. Very simple, no stress. So there is a note for us here. Even if you don't have a baby yet or you're not married, just click on yes. Add your location address, add zip code as 234, that's the Nigerian code. Add your phone number, go to email and verify. You submit your name and email, then you'll be paid. It's as simple as that. So only follow, make sure you follow the instructions given to you. Like this is a required screenshot now. For example, if you've done this, if you registered on this particular site, this is what you are expected to post as your proof. Can you see this? Maybe has been registered. Look at the date, and that's it's as simple as that. Yeah, I hope you all found this helpful. I don't know if there's still any question you have for me. You can always drop it in the comment section, and I will address it. If it's something I can address with just my comments, or I have to film a video, I will definitely go ahead and film a video. So I want to show you this, my account, this my jobs, tax completed, messages, reports, and referrals. So I want to check on tax now to see the tax have completed. So it's loading. So look at, these are the jobs I have done. Yeah, so these are actually the ones. Can you see status? The ones that have been approved. For this particular one, I really do not know why it was disapproved. Yes, but I think I did it quite well. I made sure I went through the information, the instructions, and adhered to it. So I really don't know why I was disapproved. So these are actually some that are pending. For people asking me, Fumike, we've done the tax and it's still pending. Yes, it's possible. Means the poster of the tax is yet to approve or to go through your screenshot. They won't just pay because you're finished. They need to go through what you've done to see you actually did the right thing before it will be approved. So you can see I have a lot of approved. I still have some pending. I have one as well disapproved. Pending. So you can see this is where you see the tax or the jobs you've done. So I think I've been able to address all your concerns and the comment I got after the last video. Thank you so much for watching. So like I said, if there's anyone, if you've registered on this particular platform, you want to share your experience with us in the comment section, or you have any concern, you have any question, please let me know in the comment section and I will definitely address it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're yet to subscribe, please kindly go ahead and do so. And if you're interested in registering to this platform, please use my referral link. It will be in the description box below. Please check it out and register through that referral link. And once you register, I'll be giving 5%. I get 5% commission. That's also why it's important to share your link out there, so that when people register with your link, you get 5% commission. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. If you require a mentorship section with me, I offer that. It's 5,000 per section. You can send me a direct message on Instagram or via my mail. I'll link my IG and right on the screen, and also my email address. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in other videos I have on this channel. Till I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye. Love you all.